Doing, Ben?
Huh?
What are you doing, Ben?
Well, the onions hurt my eyes, so...
This is Edit Inception. This is me editing 2-3 days ago. So it's like, you haven't seen this yet, but by the time you have seen this, this has been posted, so that's why it's Edit Inception. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do today, but so far we've got videos to edit, shorts to make, outdoor master pictures to post, edit my CV, apply to New Zealand if it's open, film some yoga, write some lesson plans, and then chill out with these hobos. Doing, Ben?
Huh?
What are you doing, Ben?
Well, the onions hurt my eyes, so...
I've never seen anyone wear ski goggles to cook soup. Does it look alright?
Just sauteing my hard veg.
You sure it's not Tomo singing that's making you cry?
A little bit of that too, yeah.
Back to this.
Now I wonder how a dance like the Tennessee waltz could have ruined my life so complete. Way to get outside the world was quite too hard to try. Tour was over, I survived. I couldn't wait till I got home to pass the time in my room alone. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to yell, yeah. Some of them wanna be used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be good. I made it down the coast in 17. I made a book and died with flowers. And I'm hoping for Friday I can see my baby tonight. We will rock them on the baby music. Alright, me.
Ankle strength and mobility. So fingertips on the mat, bend your knees as much as you need to. Inhale, come onto your toes as high as you can. Heels come up. Exhale as you come back onto your heels, toes come up. You're wiggling yourself forward and back here, you guys. Opening up your hips, taking your time. Breathing in and out through your nose. And then notice if we bring that foot back a little bit, seeing how far forward we can press that front knee, getting a greater, or actually a less of an angle in that ankle. The other, just for a second. Good. And when you're ready, slowly walk.
So that was a mobility duo who do like a 30-day of Snowboard thing. They're on YouTube and Instagram, found them. Their course, I think it was on sale or something, but it was like super cheap for like the first 30 days. And I've just been cracking on with that, and it helps. I feel better after it anyway. I mean, I measured there's like things you can do to measure like your flexibility, and I have no idea how mine was so bad. I played golf and tennis and football and everything for like so long to like a decent standard. So I thought I would be like athletically fit and flexible. The fitness is there, the flex is for some reason not. But I mean, I measured it again before I came out, and we've increased by like 25%, which is huge. It's a huge gain. But we had fuck all to begin with, so it's not that big. I mean, it is big. It's just not that impressive, you know. That's what she said. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Just gonna chill out, make some food. We might just go into the car park and do like nose press and tail press and some like flat stuff because we can't go on the runs. But we'll see how we get on. It's just annoying to get all dressed up. But tomorrow, the most important thing tomorrow is they're going to tell us if they're going to open or when they're going to open. So I don't think it'll be Monday. I think it's like 48-hour watch. So chances are, I reckon it'll be Wednesday or Thursday. If I had to bet, I'd say Thursday. But we'll see what happens. Until then, if you're on the mountain, send me a message. We've got nothing else to do. And if you're not on the mountain, then get your pass, get up here, have some lessons. Let's have a good time, let's have a good season, good winter. Let's do it.